Hi, my name is Margaret Beam, and I'm so glad you're joining us. I am going to be teaching on Biofield energy. That's that field of energy and information that surrounds us. It originates from our heart, but then it ends up becoming the energetic house that we live in. And the information it contains is actually the record of our life, our emotions, our thoughts, everything. So what we've discovered is you can go in and make changes to this field, and it ends up fast tracking your ability for a new belief, a new thought to become a reality, to get it out of kind of your conscious mind and into your subconscious very quickly. So it's literally going in and reprogramming you right from the source. It's a very powerful tool for inner healing, and I'm so glad I get to share it with you. We are going to be doing 2 sessions during our time, so please join us. It's going to be exciting.
Hi, I'm Catherine Wang. At the Awaken to Oneness conference, I'm going to focus on awakening what's already inside us that enables us to enter our limitless potential. And my particular focus is going to be on our spiritual connection, our energetic connection. So I'm going to do an extended, what I call spiritual connection bootcamp. So we're going to focus on opening spiritual senses, deepening our connection with our spiritual team, awakening those parts inside us that help us identify destiny and then go and fulfill it to its fullest extent. We're going to work on clearing flow. So that includes everything about life, health, wealth, communication, all of that flows in those channels. So we're going to both have like teaching times, and then my sessions will also have like hands-on where I'm going to lead us in exercises that are going to awaken and activate and shift things inside us so that we come alive and awake to our full potential.
Hello everyone, it's Madeleine from South Africa. I'll be one of 5 awesome dynamic ladies that's going to show you wonderful things in the revelation of oneness. So we're inviting you to the retreat, hoping you are super excited. My topic is going to be like kind of a small surprise, something that I'm journeying out myself in my life, hoping to break down lots of boxes and molds that we have had over the years, formed by religion and all those things. Trusting the divine, our source, our king, our God, to take us into places we've never seen and never been. So I'm super excited about that, and I'm hoping to make you curious and wondering, and I'm not going to tell you what I'm speaking about, but it's going to be super awesome. It's like a kind of a journey, a surprise. So maybe you will resonate with that, and that's just what you need. So come join us on Quantum You, register, and come have a time of your life never to be the same, shifting into deeper dimensions of oneness. So hoping to see you there. Come, register.
Hi everyone, we are so excited to have you at the Quantum You retreat here in a few weeks. I wanted to give you a little bit of information about what I'm going to be speaking about. I'm going to be exploring a little bit of our true nature, our true spiritual nature, and also going into some depth about how you can separate from your body, mind, and really love yourself in a way that's transforming. The other thing I'm going to be exploring is your intuitive nature and how to tap into that a little bit more and use the gifts that we all were born with. So really looking forward to having all of you, and we'll see you soon.
Hi everybody, Renalia from Quantum You. Just quickly coming on and sharing a little bit about the Awakening to Oneness retreat on July the 22nd to 24th. So honored to be in a lineup of wonderful, awesome ladies: Margaret Beam, Catherine Wang, Ashley Douglas, and Madeleine from Mark, and myself, that will be bringing forth all different dimensional aspects of walking in oneness. Now, my contribution will be what it means to actually bring things from the unseen to the seen, and looking at your life and just kind of opening up to what's already in there and what could be just exploring the wonder of who you are, and then doing some activations and of awakening to the true aspects lies within, and it's going to be great fun. So register today, come and meet us. You're going to have the recording sent to you afterwards if you cannot make it that weekend. So come join us live and have an amazing, joyful, awesome time with us. Goodbye.